one will hear. No one comes near. Look at him working, burning his socks in the night when there's nobody there. Or does he care? All the lonely people, where do they come from? All the lonely people, where do they all belong? Helen and Rigby died in a church and was buried along with her name. Nobody came, Father Mackenzie, wiping the dust from his hands as he watched from the rain. No one was saved.